I see there is a lot of black people that is now trying to chase the white man also from South Africa. I always knew he was stupid, but that stupid I never knew. The white man is the only guy or race that is keeping this country alive. If you chase the white people from South Africa, I can promise you now, you're not going to be like Zimbabwe. You're going to be worse than Zimbabwe. Don't be stupid. Don't listen to the stupid fools that want to chase away everyone. I think maybe it's time for the Malawian, the white man, the Zimbabwean, all these innocent people you want to chase. Maybe we must take hands and we must chase you back to the sea. Because you think this country belongs to you. It doesn't belong to you, my brother or sister. This country, it belongs to everyone that stays in South Africa, that's making South Africa a better place. You making South Africa a worse place. We must chase you. You must go to the sea. Because all you can do is march. It's all you can do is march. I'm not happy. I'm gonna march. I'm gonna toy. But you don't know how to work. You don't know how to make things better. You don't know how to build. You know how to break down. That's all you know. Want to break down. Every time you see somebody is doing things better than you chase them away. Because you know there's people that's working in South Africa from other countries is doing the work much better than you guys can. Because all you want to do is you want to sleep with the woman, you want to drink, you want to steal, you want to break, you don't want to build stuff. Maybe it's time to go look in the mirror and say, hey, Baba, get your wake up. It's time for us to start building places. It's time for us to work. It's time for us to take hands with people that want to do better. And let's build this country and not break it, because that's all you want to do. You want to destroy stuff. So yeah, chase away the white people. Chase us away. Yeah. It's chasing away the goose that's laying the golden egg. I don't know if you understand if I say that. Maybe you're too stupid.
And then there are Zimbabweans, more Malawians. And this is explosive. People don't like to hear this. Many Zimbabweans, Malawians, arrive here with nothing. Nothing. No protection, often no papers, often no rights. Yet many South Africans describe them as hardworking, disciplined, entrepreneurial, and willing to do jobs locals reject or don't want to do. Is every Zimbabwean a model migrant? Of course not. Is xenophobia acceptable? Never. But the comparison is uncomfortable, or more than uncomfortable, because it raises the question, if people with fewer rights and fewer protections can hustle, can save, can build, what exactly is going wrong with many of our locals, many of our South Africans? And maybe the answer is not one thing. Maybe it is broken schools, broken families, broken policing, broken borders, broken politics, and broken incentives, all reinforcing one another, all broken and created by the ANC.
I've seen videos of March and March protesters saying it doesn't matter to me whether or not you have documents, we need everyone out. And then it continues to become more tribal division and provincial division and saying, you know, if you're in Gauteng, you need to be from Gauteng. We can't have people from Northwest coming into Gauteng. We can't have people from Limpopo moving into Gauteng to have jobs. So it's not like we're going to say, oh, we've removed all the undocumented immigrants, problem solved. That's simply not the case. And it's not the case because the reality of the struggle that people are reacting to won't be addressed. It simply won't be addressed by the number of small undocumented immigrants in this country or documented immigrants in this country. The problem is much, much larger than that. We're short 12 million jobs in this country, and there's maybe 3 million immigrants. So you can remove all of the immigrants. It doesn't solve the problem of inequality. It doesn't solve the problem of unemployment, and it doesn't solve the problem of this oppressive capitalist system that we are beholden to.